Hello students. So yes, this is the continuation of your previous video. That was the chapter that we discussed. Okay. Now this is the second video, students. This second video is related to the back exercise of your chapter that we just did, the turning point. Okay. In the back exercise, there are questions or there are exercises which are based on the topic noun. So in this second video, students, we are going to quickly do a recap of your noun chapter that you have been doing in your previous classes, and I hope you all know about nouns. Okay, so yes, now in this video we are going to cover all the types of the nouns, that is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Okay, so as you can see, this is the chart made up. Noun, what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. For example, that's name of a place, person, animal, or a thing. Okay, now types of nouns. We have 5 types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. Okay, students, now let's quickly discuss about the proper noun. So as you can see, proper noun is a special name of a person, place, or a thing. For example, a name of a person: Ram, Manju, Nancy, Tom, Nina, etc. Okay, name of a place: Amritsar, Canada, Delhi, Agra. Name of a thing: that can be the name of any company. For example, I've written Samsung here, the Samsung company of mobiles. Okay, so yeah, Samsung, name of the company. The Tribune, Ganga River. And yes, one important thing, students, please make a note that proper nouns are always written with capital alphabet. That is, the starting letter should always be in capital alphabet. So as you can see, I've underlined Ram, R I've underlined, Manju, Nancy, all start or begin with the capital alphabet. Okay, now here, students, as a matter of fact, your name, okay, even that is also a proper noun. And I'm sure when you write your name or your parents' name, your mother's name or your father's name, you always write the name, the first alphabet is in capital letter, isn't it? So don't forget this thumb rule. Okay, it should always be, the first alphabet should always be in capital letter. Now going over to common noun. Common noun are names or common names or general names used for a person, place, or a thing. For example, for a person whom you do not know, you will say he is a man. That is the man who lives near my house. Okay, woman, boy, girl, friend. Okay, place: city, town, street, road, house, school. Thing: movie, paper, table, chair, book. So all these are common nouns. In fact, students, in the room that you are sitting in right now, try to look around and see what proper nouns and common nouns do you find around you. It will be easy for you to understand and remember the concept of proper noun and common noun. Okay, so let's go to collective noun. Collective noun are words which are used for groups. Okay, for example, now as the word says collective, so that means collection of people, collection of things. All these are called collective nouns. For example, family is a collection of family members. Team can be a collection of team members. Football team, basketball team, that can be any team. Army, that is of soldiers. Bundle of, yes, that can be bundle of books. Bunch of keys, a bunch of flowers. Okay, now going over to abstract noun. Abstract noun are words which are used to express quality. For example, happiness, honesty, kindness, bitter, sweet. Okay, so all these words express the quality of the noun. Okay, for example, he is an honest person. So honest in that case would be a quality of that person. Okay. Now next, material noun. Material noun are words which are used for material or substance from which things are made. To make it more easy, for example, nouns that we have, what those nouns are made of, what material it is made of. For example, if you are sitting on a chair, so that chair, if it's made of plastic, so plastic is a material noun. Okay. For similarly, gold, iron, cotton, silver, so all these are material noun. Okay, students. Now continuing further, students, there is two more concepts, in fact, yeah, 3-4 concepts which I'm going to share with you. Again, you know about these. Noun number. Noun number means whether the noun is singular or plural. For example, boy is one. Boys can be many boys. Okay, so that's singular, plural. Man, men. Book, books. Next concept is about noun in gender. This refers to noun being masculine, that is male, or feminine. Okay, for example, masculine and feminine, I'll take some examples. Boy, opposite will be girl. Husband, wife. Man, woman. Okay. Now coming over to the next part. Now students, this is the part which is based on the back exercise. Okay, so your back exercise is basically based on countable and uncountable nouns. However, I have also attached the BBC worksheets so that you can completely do the exercise of the whole chapter of nouns. Okay, in case if you don't have the BBC, that's all right, you don't need to panic. On your grammar copies, solve the BBC worksheets. Okay, so yes, countable and uncountable nouns. As the word goes, countable. Countable means something that we can count. So the nouns that you can count, those are called countable nouns. For example, book, page, pencil, chair, table, car. You can count them, count in the sense 1 book, 2 book, 3 book, so on. Now next is uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those nouns which they say you cannot count. So from countable it becomes uncountable. So we cannot count these. Okay. Now uncountable, yes, nouns are, for example, water, juice, gas, milk, tea, salt. We cannot count them in as in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can just weigh them in grams or kilograms and so on. Okay, students. So this video ends over here. This session ends over here today. There are important things, that is, do the exercise that is attached with the file which I have sent, the BBC exercises. Either you can do it on your BBC, otherwise solve it in your grammar copies. Okay. The second thing is, yes, for the grammar part, use a different copy, that's the grammar copy, and note down all this in your grammar copy as well. I will be sending you the picture of the explanation of the whole thing which I have done right now. Okay, students. So we'll meet in the next session with new topic and new story. Till then, all of you stay safe, stay at home, okay, and take care of yourself.